July, our first 4th of July here. And there is Scott the man. What's that, honey? Oh, they are down in the hangar. All right, let's see if he'll do another one. Look at that.
It's funny, he just had it setting on the top of his tractor and he stuck his head, he stood up, lit it with his lighter, and then he sat back down.
Okay, let's see. All right, he's putting down the forks. Oh, he's lowering the... Okay. Scott Eli. Firework.
No, I'm alright. I'm just enjoying this one.
Okay. My.
It's so funny.
Alright, should we go over there?
Yeah.
Check this guy out. It's all fireworks.
Take off.
I have to wait until we're ready to go because my battery will die.
I wish Addie was here. You guys just come back over because whatever. Because I need to know.
So are you controlling that then?
Yes.
Okay, that's what. Okay, that is cool. That's,
Yes, she does.
She like sometimes she'll text me.
you know, my brother and his wife bought me a drone for Christmas a year and a half ago, and I hate to say it, but I have no.
It's like small enough to the point where like she's already tried. She can't do anything. The one day I came home, you know, our couch.
There we go.
One drone, him and they all went on their man's float or to the river. Or, I don't know. Anyways, they were out.
Oh, you can see some of the fireworks. See them off behind us?
Oh, yeah.
See them?
Oh, out here.
Yeah, right there.
That's cool.
Non-aviation people always ask me, "Oh, I bet fireworks would be neat from the air." I say, not really.
Yeah.
If you're on the ground looking up, they're spectacular. But if you're up looking down on them, it's just bright lights.
As a flight attendant, I flew a few of those nights, and it's actually pretty awesome. Flying, you know, over before we would get into Chicago, and just the
Yeah, they're
fireworks.
everywhere.
Here he goes. Here he goes.
That's awesome. Woohoo! Anyway, he went fishing with Jack and Tim, and they were out. And then Mike had his drone up, and Jack went like this and cast it, and it wrapped around the drone, and took it under the water.
No way.
Yeah. Yeah. It was kind of a cool shot. To see the video of the water. That was awesome. Wow. Man, that's great. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. Right. That is crazy.
Watch this from the drone. This one.
We haven't shot your drone down yet.
No.
Oh, that's cool.
I can zoom in on him.
You've been doing circles.
Yeah.
Cool.
Blue light on there? Am I just seeing there's a blue light over there?
Yeah, I can see it.
Can you see the drone?
Oh, that's the other guy.
Oh.
I'm trying to find yours. Out here. It's off
So-
the right side.
Yeah.
Is there a light on it or not?
There's yeah,
Is that it?
No.
No, that's a star.
yeah.
I hear it and then it goes off. Wow.
That's crazy. I can't see your drone out there. Arthur Rossi special.
Wow. Cool. Because I hear it over here. And it goes up over there. Oh wow, that's cool. Sleeper. Oh, trash. Yes. Yeah.
I used to hit 'em up.
How much time can you keep it up?
I'm only 50% on my battery, so.
Big one's going outside. Over the trees, too. Bugs in my hair. I get.
Man, the bugs are chewing me.
Wow, that was awesome. Wow. That was amazing. Yeah. Woo! You probably really can't hear after having the thing blow up by his ear. Birthday, Marissa.
What's that, Tammy?
Happy birthday, Marissa.
Happy birthday, Stanley.
Happy birthday, Stanley.
Oh, happy birthday, Stanley. Oh, Jude. You know, it's funny, the clouds in the back over there are lightning. Yeah, there's lightning in the clouds back there. Yeah. Joe, check this out. See the clouds in the upper right?
Mm-hmm.
The little white wisp?
Yeah.
Watch them. See?
Oh, yeah.
Check that out, right?
What a shot, man.
Oh, yeah, right?
God's like, you think you got it? Watch my fireworks.
Yeah, oh, you can see it in the distance.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. What a shot.
Wow, that's very cool.
It's not often that you see, you know.
Yeah, I know, right? I think I'm going to bring it back the other way so we can watch some more lightning. Oh, see that?
Crazy. Wow. You get stormed on over there.
Wow, there's some more. That's creepy. higher. Get that out. Wow, that was cool. That was good. I smell that one.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Battery level is low. Battery level is low. Battery level is low.
Happy Independence Day, America!
I gotta come down in between bursts.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause our flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston,